What's going on, everybody? Exciting video today because we got a package. Now I know you're thinking, what did you order? I ordered a replica jersey off Amazon. And last time I did that, I got this really high quality Newcastle United jersey for way cheaper than it was buying it off a soccer site. So I thought, why not try my luck again? And here is the jersey. Taking it out of the plastic, it seems pretty high quality. It's the Manchester City third kit. For around only 30 bucks, this is a nice pickup. Stay tuned, see me wear it in the next one, and make sure to subscribe. Thank you.